Okay, students. Now we are going to learn problem in hydroxy derivatives. One problem is they asked in the year of March 2007 an organic compound A of molecular formula C3H6O. A molecular formula C3H6O on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride it gives B. A gives B. We don't have any idea what is A, what is B and all. Compound B gives a blue color in Victor Mayer test. You know what is Victor Mayer test? Which compound gives the blue color? In Victor Mayer test, primary alcohol gives red in color, secondary alcohol gives blue color, tertiary alcohol colorless. So compound B gives blue color in Victor Mayer test. This indicates compound B must be secondary alcohol. Okay. Then and also forms chloride C with SOCl2. That compound B reacts with SOCl2, it gives compound C, that's a chloride compound. The chloride on treatment with alcoholic KOH, it gives a D. Identify A, B, C, D and explain the reactions. Okay, so A undergoes a reduction reaction, the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it gives B. So from the given hint, we identified B is a secondary alcohol, nothing but isopropyl alcohol. So, if secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation reaction, what's the product? Ketone. Nothing but acetone is the product. Now, acetone undergoes reduction reaction, what's the product? Alcohol is the product. See, secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation reaction, ketone is the product. So ketone undergoes reduction reaction, secondary alcohol is the product. Okay. Now, so B is the alcohol we confirmed. A undergoes reduction reaction, it gives alcohol. So A must be one of the ketone. From the molecular formula, we can confirm it that is acetone. So that acetone CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3, which is compound A, named is acetone, undergoes reduction reaction in the presence of reducing agent, namely lithium aluminum hydride. We are going to add one H over here, one H here, become a CH3, CH3, CHOH, CHOH, CH3, which is compound B, namely isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay. So secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation reaction, ketone is the product. Ketone undergoes reduction reaction, alcohol is the product. From the alcohol only we confirmed A. So A is acetone. Acetone undergoes reduction reaction, it gives isopropyl alcohol is the product B. Okay. B also forms a chloride C with SOCl2. Compound B reacts with SOCl2. B mean what? CH3, CH, OH, CH3 reacts with SOCl2. It gives compound C. Now SOCl2 you can write like this: SOCl, Cl, removal of SO2, removal of HCl, remaining the Cl will join over here to become a CH3 bond CH, Cl and CH3 plus SO2 and HCl, which is compound C, namely isopropyl chloride. isopropyl chloride, which is compound C. The compound C chloride on treatment with the alcoholic KOH. This isopropyl chloride reacts with alcoholic KOH, it gives compound D. So isopropyl chloride mean CH3 bond CHCl bond CH3 reacts with alcoholic KOH. Okay. Otherwise you can write like this also. Alcoholic KOH mean alcoholic KOH. See here, one K and one Cl, removal of KCl. Here CH3 is there already. For replacing purpose, you can write like this also. CH2 and one H. Altogether CH3. Now, one hydrogen and one OH, water. So this bond will come and join to become a double bond. So removal of one KCl, one water molecule, so a double bond will come. The product is CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, which is compound D, namely propylene. So acetone undergoes reduction reaction, it gives isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, it gives isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride reacts with alcoholic KOH, it gives propylene is the product. Now three equations, you got 3 marks, 1, 2, 3. Again you have to make a tabular column, that's the compound formula name. This is the compound formula name. Compound A, B, C, D. What is A? A is acetone. So formula CH3, CO, CH3. Name is acetone. What is B? Isopropyl alcohol. So CH3, CH, OH bond CH3, namely isopropyl alcohol. This compound C, isopropyl chloride. CH3 bond CHCl bond CH3, namely isopropyl chloride. This compound D, propylene. CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2, namely propylene. Okay, so for that equation part, 3 equations, it carries 1 mark, 1 1 mark. This tabulation alone 2 mark, altogether 5 marks. You have, for all the problems you have to write again tabulation. Okay, if you have identified here also, if you wrote name here also, you have to write again either name or formula, then only you get full mark very easily. You able to understand, students, the easiest problem. Okay, thank you.